About a month ago, I was lucky enough to find myself filming my very first music video. We filmed it in an off-the-grid location called Slab City in California. Jace, what's Slab City like?
All you got is the market, 2 gas stations, 1 post office, 1 school, and 300 people. You're not gonna get what you want, you're gonna get what they got, such as Slab.
No rules, live where you want, how you can. The only thing is to respect those around you. It's got a cool skate park, natural hot springs, and a crazy colorful mountain. If you haven't been, well, take a look. After sightseeing for the first day, we chilled in our cozy single-bed motel and prepped for the next day to film. Some last-minute prop creation and about 4 hours of sleep led us to our first location where we made our final preparations and started filming.
It's getting hot.
So aside from getting our cars stuck in sand, twice, my first music video was pretty legit. Although I was nervous at first, it worked out once I started hitting record and getting in the zone. To leave you on a good note, it's easy to be nervous about something until it actually starts. Then it's smooth sailing. If you guys like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. A like and a comment wouldn't hurt either. Thanks for watching, guys. Now go out there and film.